GraphPad software window. So here we are having file, edit, view, insert, change, arrange, family, window and help. So first of all, we have to know about the prism. If here you can see one prism uh, logo is there, just you have to click there. If you will click here, then new prism project file, open prism project file, close all, so many things is there. So just if you will click new prism project file, after that you will get this. Here you can see, can you see? Okay. Here you can see new table and graph, column, grounded. So here there are different table and graphs is there. If you want to draw your graph to take x and y axes, so it is x and y tables. So here you can see here x and y tables. So here is x, here is y. In GraphPad you have to put x value and y value. After that you have to decide which test you want to do. You want to see correlation, you want to see simple linear regression, you want to see linear regression, you want to compare slopes, you want to see non-linear linear regression. So many analysis is there. Just you have to choose which analysis you want to do. So here you can see data table. Two things is there: enter or import data into a new table, or start with sample data to follow a tutorial. As you're new in GraphPad Prism software, so if you want to check your data, so you can go for first option, enter or import data into a new table. If you will click here, then you have to choose two options, x and y, x numbers and y also you have to click. Okay, then you have to choose mean, standard deviation, or different things is there. You say which you want to do. You have to just click there and you will get the graph. Just you have to click there. If I will create, so this is a new platform for us. So here x title is there and y title is there. So many groups is there. It depends on you how many groups you want, or if you want one group, okay. If you want to group B, group C, group 3, C and D, it depends on you. Just you have to write here x and y values, and then you can create a graph. I will give you one simple example. If x, I will put some values. You can use your data also, and here also some examples is there. And if y, I will put anything we can put. Okay, then you can see here family. This is the data table. Here right hand side you can see, you can put like this your data, and this is the data table, data 1, and this is the information. This is the data 1 you can see on your platform, and second is new data table. If you want to create another data table, you can create. Second is information. This is the project information 1, and new information also you can put. Third one is results. When you will when you will put a data, then result will come, then analysis will come, so you can see your result. Fifth one is graph will also come. Then here you can see the data. If I will click here data 1, So I will get this graph. Okay, just I put some data and I will get graph. It depends on me which type of graph I want. I want this only dots, I can take. If I want lines, so I have to click on lines. If I don't want dot, just line will come. If I want, I want to see my graph on bars. If I want to see my graph on slope, so we can see. Then I will click OK. Then this is the graph. Okay. So you can create the graph with the help of GraphPad Prism. This is the one thing. Second thing, here you can see different things is there. In Prism also, new Prism project file, so many graph is there. X, Y, table and graph, column graph, group graph, contingency graph, survival graph, parts of whole graph, multiple variables graph, and nested graph. So there are 8 types of graph is there. So which graph you want, just you have to click. If I want column graph, so if I am having control and treated both two readings, both two variables, then I can put my data simply. Otherwise, if I don't have data and just I have to check, then I have to go to start with sample data to follow a tutorial. So here, select a tutorial data set, any tutorial data set for practicing. If you want to do practice, you can take t-test, one-way ANOVA test, special use of column tables, error bar in column tables. So many tests is there. So any test you can take and you can try. Okay. And after that, you can create a graph also. If you will click on create, so it will come automatically and you can see analysis also. Here, this is data 1. If I want to see the analysis, my result analysis, just I have to click on analysis. So I have to, this is the analysis window. So we can choose any analysis. If I want to go for non-linear regression, so just I have to click on non-linear regression. So it will come. Okay, so non-linear regression also standard curve is there. Dose response stimulation is there. Dose response inhibitions is there for science. Means so many things is there. It depends on you what things you want. So this is a very advanced thing. Just first we have to go to the basic thing. So second one, this is the graph. If I want to color the graph, so just two option is there. I can go for right click, then I can copy my graph, then choose color scheme. I can choose any color scheme. This is the color scheme. So from here, current colors, I can choose any color. Plasma, magma, floral, prism light, prism dark. If I put this prism dark, okay, so prism dark color came automatically. Define color scheme also is there. Different color are there. So different color is there, and you can choose. You can select any color. Like here X and Y graph, you can choose any color, so it will change automatically. If you want to change background color also, so here background color, so any color you can choose. So your graph is there. If you want to copy and paste, so copy graph, just I will copy and I will paste this graph in my Microsoft Word. Just I will open Microsoft Word and I can paste that graph also. I will show you. Wait. So just copy paste. I did paste. 1 minute. I have to share also. After otherwise you are not able to see. So I copied and I paste here. Okay. Okay. So this is the I paste in Microsoft Word. Other thing, if you don't want copy and paste, you can go for another option also. Okay. So here, right hand side, you can see two things: W, W symbol and P symbol. W symbol is MS Word symbol and P is PDF. If you will click on W symbol, so one MS Word will open and automatically your graph will paste on MS Word. Okay. Another one is P symbol means PDF symbol and uh, PowerPoint presentation symbol, not PDF. This is PowerPoint presentation symbol. And if you will click there, automatically your graph will paste on your PowerPoint presentation. Means if you will open PowerPoint presentation, it will paste there. So through two things we can copy and paste our graph. Now here you can see view. How can see, this is zoom. We can increase our graph. Now it is 100% actual size, but we can increase 150 also. 200 also, 400, 600, otherwise 75 also. It depends on us. This is the main toolbar. You can see here on platform main toolbar. So if you don't want to see main toolbar, so just you can skip the main toolbar. This is the bottom toolbar also there. So here insert, you can do so many things. New data table with graph you can insert. If you are having already, you are having new data table with graph, you can insert here. If you are having new data table but no graph, you can also insert here. You can go for new analysis, new graph of existing data you can use here. And you can take duplicate current sheet. If I will click duplicate current sheet, so here you can see left side copy of data 1, so duplicate data automatically come here. If we will go for change graph type, uh, we can see what graph we want. Then here frame and origin, axis, x axis, y axis is titles, symbols and lines. So many things is there. Down also here you can see same thing: prism, file, sheet, clipboard and analysis. Analysis is a very important part in our GraphPad Prism software. So here you can see analysis. So if you will click here, so this one is parameters simple linear regression. So just you have to put all parameter, simple linear regression. After that, if you will click on analysis, so many analysis will come. If you will click one analysis, so you have to go to further. Here in change, you can see, if you will click here, already this is the preview. You can change any preview. then okay, will change automatically. Here color also, you can get colors by two things, right click, or otherwise you can go here. This is color, black and white colors, floral, prism light, different color is there, pearl color is there. So it will change by own. Now arrange. If you want to arrange your graph on center, so you can arrange. It will arrange by on center, it will arrange. It will go right, it will go front, it will go back. So by arrange, you can arrange your graph. This is the draw. If you click on draw, you can see shapes, lines. So if I want to take this, I want to draw a circle around the graph. So we can draw a circle. Okay. If I want square, so we can draw a square. If I want draw, so many things is there. Arrow is there. Lines is there. Arrow is there. Lines with text also there. So if you want, means this line with text. So you can write. Okay. So here this is the text. If you want to write anything, you can write with the help of text. You can put color also. You can write anything. This is the right. If you want to write anything, if you want to open Microsoft Word automatically, so you have to go to write. This is the Microsoft Word page. So automatically from GraphPad Prism, Microsoft Word page will open and you can copy paste your GraphPad there and you can write about the spectra there. This is the hook constant, means it will give all information what project you did on your GraphPad Prism software, your history. And this is the text. You can change font size, you can change style also. This is the capital, means you can change here, you can see everything is there. And this is the export into, if you want to export your GraphPad into different file format is there, like PDF is there, TIFF is there, JPG is there, PNG is there. And if you want to export your this into include color, if you don't want color, then you have to go to omit color, make clear. And if you want color, so color will also come, it depends on you. Just I click on omit color and resolution, no resolution is color, color mode You can grayscale and size actual. It depends on you. If you don't want actual size, you can uh, write here width, but we want actual size. We'll put here. Where to export? So copy which file we are exporting, copy of data 1 and folder. So I'm exporting my this data, graph data into folder. So just if I will browse there, so in my documents, it will go automatically and save in PDF form. Then, okay. So this data now exporting to into PDF file and it will save